oh Omega Live TV enyumrei ena munyira mohwei na ene yewo very very challenging topic ewo studio ha eye Ghana wana aye worst president ever in Ghana yenyana independence 1957 aye free up to now, and we have had various and different government now who administration and then the poorest of all. And why are we still say you want that position? And then your studio for the first time, Nana JB, representing NPP. Thank you, Nana, for coming.
Thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you. And your Mr. Osu Echang, representing NDC, NDC Deputy Communication Officer for UK and Ireland as well.
Good afternoon, Mr. Kula.
Thank you. Now, but now Jenny, you know to say.
I've been off the scene for some time.
Yes.
But do baby, I will say, yes, we are Ghana.
Say 2020, I drew heavy.
I drew heavy. We need to take the challenge now, then push the agenda to the next level.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah, that was it. Now, you do over chassis.
Okay.
You do over chassis. Just say, one, una the government in power.
Yeah.
Enti, as I say, you demo program no, I say.
Okay.
Now, this year, this is the making. Now we share Ghana independence 1957 now. No struggle. This is 2020 around the corner. Now, Ubetimiama, some reasons in here. They be a no shots here because the TF4 person will be omuti. Now, what should be over young Kaya say? A dear intina, as I say, Omotoma Nanado as a MPP no. Na more Omotoma Mahama.
I have some cash and webisano. Na the American say, Among your 70 amambu. And ya one day until saying Uncle Pon Jesus Christ to Beba. You asked the corner, and to us.
Yes.
Now, so person who might be a set in Koswa and then penny for a dear anymore. I was so share on my no Ancasano. The Butaya is name. A dear no man, and a man for everywhere. What are the citizens looking for? So, if you can identify near mana citizens, no, or move here, Obetimi who say, a byway or buy no, Utimi away, Emma man for your near day, edgy. Emma man for Swanny Gia, you bet 12 bars of you. Because since 1992, Yamiadom, you pray from UGC into Penswa Sana Kwame Nkrumah, Ebesomudin CPP Abano. You're penny for your MPP 40, and penny for near Kabibam and Kabi, about your son, among your son, and in another way, butai. And actually, Kwame Nkrumah Dawroma, Obesis and I call one party state, or Bekay, Casaboy, a share. Say 1992. There be a assassin we are maybe no person, but if he say, Ura Jerry Rollins, or I dare say, or hand you over power. Am I it me call constitutional rule? As you see, BCNA, we have become the envy of the world. So the kind of democracy we have, the freedom of expression, you name it. Even the Western world now we introduce democracy. No, the Ghana no, Esumbodo. They catch that man for say. I will say you did 2 years. Near vigilant. See about democracy in Hukai. Who mine. Now your freedom and justice no. A Jinana Juma. Now who be say? A ban back when you are there, Papa. I mean,
any day in any
day in any. Mean corner blanket and can say a ban way, the mechanism about we buy and you may be or how in a year. So about be we buy and you may be or how in a year, they may we one in a year. Kwame Nkrumah pencil, education number 1, they be American. I don't think I'm in Timiko University or Ghana.
Yes.
Your pencil, your young colony school, primary school to secondary school, nay free. And maybe not you see an adult, the Aban.
Okay.
University acquire nay free. Near some my Adrianity. Near they are graduate, they free. And Sana, a dream label, you introduce you. Their friend of student lawyer, I say, Neoko school, a codilum. Never born. Obra school more now, we know near Juma. I shall see it here. It's Kwame Nkrumah also so need to studio as well. When you measure near more, yeah, they were hard, they were good. Some of them were bad, particularly in terms of our social life. I did back one 10 beer a dini panya, and I nipadi who yaw titu or Kwame Nkrumah. I'm a move a prevention detention act or the buy. Kofa. Titi for normal friend is a woman, you know. Normal would be my friend, friend is as we had local detention.
Yeah, local detention, yes.
No candy packers at work we are, so I am a nano degree, still through a more year, UP4, no, D, Ra JB Danka, any Professor Bushier, actually, a Domko prison without trial. And then they had so almost the panic or trial and pony a guamufwa. And I'm former Costra near Dom Young Common and could do myself a Dom Kogu prison. A big woo, so I nip out that with you, yeah. And then in them one Kutukanen and Crawford by almost another group, almost by your dear. Now, how the ancient me, you can't say, let me put it this way military government there, to me. I don't see them as a government. I'm not keen to talk about it because to me, they are usurpers of power.
But you're here for Muma Emre Kakra. Why?
They are usurpers of power.
Program,
sorry.
Muma Emre Kakra na yenye yansana mashasi afre. Where you best I mean, say call a ofre, but Muma Emre Kakra. But out of respect, me take a call no. Na okay Muma Emre Kakra wa yesrema Muma Emre Kakra nana manenko thank you.
So I don't add them to the civilian government. And in a moon military government through a free champion time. Any or how near many dear or my koye and a kakra cry to Abama Ura Liman by after June 4th. And then 31st December, JJ Ron is therefore son by you. So more
Sisiano. Say yeah, worst one pa to you no anything out of the lot. Who is the worst for you?
It will be what's the right word? It will not be fair for me to term a government or a leader as the worst leader.
Okay, worst government, which
worst government. So you see. Government fulfills certain parts. Governments are back for the big also me. If you soon you know.
Nadia, we are 1 year she.
The 1 year she say, they can say, Ura Mahama. The new ma obey or Ghana.
I didn't know no 1 year bibia. The
1 year say, and you obey in Ghana would measure. It doesn't meet standards. Now, Guyana said, the best thing on mine betting here. Government in between here, and it's all here. All big infrastructure development. Here, Dubai also obey no certainly. Then we say it's so toy here the Hawaii. Here, airport can say we see at the cost of over 250 million. Then we see toy here the Hawaii. Adaya also see for schools. Dudwana e-blocks, Dudwana Kawurem. Akwanya also aye dodo na nso to ya na adwiriko so it no would the shan yema waye at water would compare others then you see the difference say oya de ana wanya de What the Kwame Nkrumah schools was see here in the 60s, not to compare modern time blocks here. That's just a Kwame Nkrumah crampono, the news are doing no, a Mahama. So, it's not Namamu idea. What they took to Sudia. If you really measure it, I am telling you, say 30% Kwaunya in terms of other aspects of the governance. Would you share a in other areas managing the economy, for example? Under his watch, our economy totally collapsed. If you look at the indicators at that time, who say, while for them institutions or better to me, no foundation, one more Tremocrono, Uraku Forum Foundation, but two, Obetimia Toso, Amanaeden, Akonani, or Basso on it, woman only cowboys, or any cowboys. Can be on the first one by a program projects are on the first one, dear Nebia Gumbutum, and Muntin or Moyede, or Moye, and I am wow mine, and wow mine, because set special prosecutor or Melania Konejumahu. And with the auditor of the country, or will go through projects to do a course during Manhama's time. Ube where any dream make a task share, Ura Mahama pencil, or Modi Echa Ghana for. Jumso by it cost the nation millions and billions of dollars of money. And Crawford Juma say, Afodia was here the Mura Bahama. And since I will share in Pennyform Abakunina, your leaders are Bakunina there. As it is no, made the Suburba Mahama.
Yes, Romama, the
poorest leader we've had so far. Out of the number of them from Kwame Nkrumah, Bushia, Hilary Man. I'm glad they see a man at time. I'm not yet. Ura J.J. Rollins, the time, so Kaya. We did a lot of restructuring and palms carding and a whole lot of things to balance the economy, which to me it was helpful at that time. But Mahama's time is just unfortunate. So with all the resources a dear pa na obetimi the actually say a dear papa what the year in or so as you see hospitals, which you see hospitals see one than to if you did anymore. Better than a hospital now,
yes.
Very important here. Yeah, normally NDC for the rich hospital do 2 or more. Yes, rich hospital. Yes, university hospital. When you build a hospital, you don't have resources. You don't have the equipment in them. What is that? Is that a hospital? It's as well a warehouse. A warehouse. Any hospital built. It is the only 2 years in Mahama and Crawford didn't actually 2 or more in annual see why rose. Why the 2 now were shoddy things that were done. And we still Ghana of Wesika. We see a Mansika, Libre, and no, and I'm the bonu for say, now I know to be also at it. Miss also Chow. What dear Nana Jibi, Ekania.
But I'm Matilda Kayana.
Now, Miss I repeat, you know, and I say, okay. Now, Ghana from 1957, independence up to now. Why need the worst president out of or government out of all of them? And why?
And the program I Nana JB as MPP communicator. Even UK, they believe in infrastructure. Meaning, yes, Nana JB audio Krumha. Because if you are buying any infrastructure, and a train, roads, schools. That's what you can want so landing now catching John Dramani Mahama so basic schools no into me and see and I said also basic schools were also there be was yes room. Nana de be Mr. Achimota school. OAS Kumasi High. A brother come and command Ghana perform much no mus name necessary room. Nana de be there in Pacho Casamangasa. Me edin but my head to never
maybe son is school as you.
If I try Nabutre, Nabutre. You are penny stealing. If you are age you know everything what I say. That's what here. Ghana me a colonial school or never been co school. Now the catcher and say, "Was this school see wuram?"
I didn't say that.
No.
I did not say that.
Kabu be di am makasa kabe program na kama.
Mama
Because we correct me. We penyin sim patch nya betre. Na jabi. Program na no Ghana 14 we safa na nyina. Oh see the former president John Dramani Mahama Fino see schools no see blocks no. Osisi go see wuram.
No.
And you have been your mantra. Say MPP ye campaign no. Amba we ni amuso wasisi wuram. It means some poor money here. When I'm before, me example say, Achimota school, Legon, Kumasi High School, Opoku School, Prempeh College, no listen room. But Krumu, a new colonel Kataka, when a friend said, Obi a vision, we are talking about development, infrastructure. Now, Cassia, what my Ghana for a while. Me can't say also on cancer because of so that that's not true. Me ngiripi ya beti kwa nkruma nima obaye soja fo mbaye ambodi pe mbaye ku nyina ti nyina nima mbaye nyina se kwa nkruma ade a Ghana for the gene di e pa so si schools oye roads oye akosombo the same MPP UP4 and another one people na jebi kan bi a the more power no almost still they don't believe it. It's never once that they buy say what can say no. I mean, ane. Anwo ya. Enye mo dia fine. Na ko John Dramani Mahama dia MDC dia. Hey, David. And no na ye mo ya. Me say when it comes to infrastructure, we come and come through John Dramani Mahama, no one. Na ku for on timi we be done o from man so. Ya ko bi bia mo say oh, mo ba power no. Moko fast channel hydro Mr. The thing in your brand they catch the Kufuor were the worst ever president here. One power man so being see that. Now I have documents, I have a lot of things to promote. Meet me I show my Ghana for Bianco research there. The Americans are me boa. Mr. Kula, me no kasa to see. Tell me go about 10 bands. Me show how Baumia head of economic management team, Nana Akufo as president, His Excellency, a manager Mudi Omano, Juma Mudi Omano, come talking about the financial sector and the insurance. Nana Jimmy Patch is only a time on. 2018 budget, financial sector and then insurance, and a 13% negative. Mudi Omana bro, Nana Akufo no menu kasa Mzekula on the Caribbean countries say, and then Yababe. Exporting nurses ako na an achievement tinium the kula according to source those Caribbean countries a whole power near money laundering kase na the tia make money Americans and say no nado some Caribbean countries no okose okobua no mas significant na scam me akwa na because according to Bank of Ghana Ministry of Finance data omotimi spending and as sky dia more spending over 80 billion. Ya catch them say 80 billion. Then I'm ya want to mention. Mr. Kula, there many a brain say. Sika money nyina ya kan wase mu nyina mon kan akre no. Enne what videos make come say kabiem say because of money laundering, European Commission a blacklisted Ghana. Aka 23 countries no. So nanado kwano ko Caribbean countries no. O kwa ko yede. Because of all money laundering pa. Me the master me say MPP before more power Nana Akufo do Baumia aya to din Wale Adam Smith aka Doctor of Lies. Do you know what in Kromwa no? Kromwa we need your money Kromwa. Hwe Mr. Kula there's some research we aba. Say China government also mo invest in Africa pa. When say e didn't go invest in Africa more. E didn't Nana Akufo do ban o see. Opeso di osisano hydro ni nyama opeso okoti Ghana for China for companies amamba kromwa amba Ghana sorry. When say Mr. Kula does Mr. Richard say China for African countries are more dealing with contracts any agreement near you know. Omuye money laundering because they pay kickback from 15 to 20%. Now we scan for bank scanning for bank. Scan omo the for cargo plane. Neti abram say kickback nini. Ti ebisa question say Sanu had a money and then I could see it. Sanu had a deal now, say 2 billion. Is there any other back? You start questioning because Sanu had a woman.
The one Nanado or the West.
I am more than that. The Jamaica Society West President and they say, when you go to banking sector, NIB, National Investment Banker, made me saw me here, and a much letter, permanent staff say when you mean ready. Some boy gonna for her. Permanent staffs, financial sector, more good to infrastructure 2018 budget. A woman say negative 21%. Then am I? Mr. Kula, yes, GCB Ghana Commercial Bank. Tama, omodi sa bank so mugu so omunye liquidation. Mr. Kula, GCB for lose over 1 billion Ghana cedis. Una lukuntia. You feel be panic withdrawal. Omulusu. Mr. Kula, me come as I have the document and approve it. Almost say here 5.5 billion Ghana cedis. So I'm cleaning up it comes the financial sector. Mr. Kula, question is that how we clean financial sector? In my track room, I'm track room in chair, and I be at track room watch. Only choir in 2008, financial crunch across the whole world. And so, Sunday cleaning financial sector. Oh, good banks, foreign banks in the Montana Ghana. Name there. Me say, Kevin, Mr. Kula. If you economic and financial data, January 2019, about we are kasa osisui. Ono kasa data na me be kan kire win. Almost how if you monetary policy committee report about May 27, 2019, Mr. Kula so kan ya onu sabe beguti. Uwo da ho. Omo kwa abawe bae. Tax revenue 2017-2019, umunya 113.5 billion. Mr. Kula, I'm not lying. This is a document. Omo kasa document. In 2017, total oil revenue, Omunya say 4.3 billion. Grant the scar, Ujia, the Mawa, a free, Untia, any be a considered a grant. Grant in Omunya 3.7 billion. And I be a program now, made the document to be man, the better go and read it. Some more by Bonnie and Moody. Also, divided because only half at winning. Always starting as me okay. Also, na me I feel am back because na me ye bibi enya ne kre una de kuntia. They have been disappointed. The MPP communicators, members of Wokromwa, you know una de kuntia. They feel say me anaku for aba no. They will get appointment come here adwuma pa. Enne ni nyina kwa chim. Eti nyam ho na de bi work asem. Me come asem so e. Mr. Kula. In addition, that a year American was read from economic and financial data. Omotimi abobosia 80 billion. So come flagship programs on my year. Free secondary school, 1D1F. What can a program back where a friend, would make a friend about 1D1F. Almost had a biba says teachers and nursing allowance. And when you go across 1 billion. Secondary school since 2017, I'm buy. I'm spend over 3 billion. I'm flagship program why you Mr. Kula. So can you boomer, Mr. Kula? Not even 30 billion. It's your smart, yes, Ghana for say, Sir 80 billion on my bonds, I can scan away from the fine. Is it about money laundering? Hey, dear, what you pinpoint here, dear back on my met me a car, me document be also. First car and then Photoshop on Moda Ghana for no. Hey, Mr. Kula. Papa say, yay, the raw power. John Dramani Mama were West president.
I saw him, Nanado, on chair office.
Oh, good. Why are these officers a question?
Yes. What the 3 years?
Thank you. Omo Kasa, Ebusa question, no was shoot to Omo too. Almost say 3 years and go for the wedding, and they're far better than the 8 years of NDC. So, yes, my I can say, let the go Ghana. Over Kutuka International Airport.
Hold on. But you want to turn up replaying.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yo,
Manin Konana.
Mr. said you want for documents about when you are bringing our cat out on your treaty. I am the only man and I'm to start going to cut a down to buy me. Who documents kind of work? What's another? Muhammad, the best president, if he can go here, the whole world on the best poor president, and everybody because all young children, and where I come with Ghana to come over to buy. So the good Ghana, Ghana for the Mr. Always a man, when you can't let me, I'm going to go time to move here. But what I'm going to do, my next camera. I feel so saying, Fanny saying, and the Rado, and the Catholic Rapa, and the show, dedicated to it. Because I am the Rapa. Now, I'm going to show my Ghana, and all the things that you see here, the now work on. This is the thing, let me be able to know the child, and they are coming to school. Now, I'm going to and many persons will be carried here. This is allowance to you. This is allowance to you. And the call and many people will be covered. Now, who's going to bag Mr. Private job? Not to bag him now. We need to catch him back.
There was a baby. There was thank you. Hold on. Pacho one friend African. Yo, Yajo so. Yo, Yajo so. Pacho one friend. Tottenham, okay. Yo, what you?
Paul, I said, very affordable areas of war. It was okay, no problem, or could be our classic. No more being one that the organ and required. Excellent. So you talk to and some someone. I have one classic, and who got YouTube, who do Nado? We all live in YouTube. It was a town slow. They are progressive. We didn't have to be about going. We look at Sylvia, who made the set to be a son of the divine. We open my uncle YouTube. That's really another way. Now, your mama was so busy, and I am a police for his Singapore. Who are a farmer's house, and down that way. But I so busy 240 schools. Say, and see it. Now, I do 2.5 years. But someone right. Now, why are there?
Yo, yeah, that was it. Oh dear, what in you, auntie? Who bet me? I respond. Who didn't tell me cousin? Who did the same cousin was the worst ever president Ghana, you know. So, cool, I only said you be fraud, we signed petroleum agreement to be. I don't sign. You my Ghana for 49%. About we buy. Hold on, call away. The former energy minister, almost a cannon. Who says the same agreement? Let them any. Can I do there be kinda tearful in tear? Hold on, call away. Hold on. Because in Yanni, call away to lower radio, no cacra, extra. But tell you, almost arguments look at him. Now, if we any funny free letter, Minister of my fancy camera, no cry. Mr. Kula, Nipenia, bro. Minister of Energy letter. Why then? Signed by yes.
When you break,
Mr. Kula, Mammy, I was saying about some few minutes, yeah? Chief Executive Officer, AGM Petroleum Ghana Limited. Discussion on terms and conditions in the SDWT Petroleum Agreement. Mr. Kula, listen carefully. Reference made to your letter above subject matter. We have studied the content of your letter carefully and have come to the conclusion that it is not in the best interest of the government to renegotiate the terms of closed petroleum agreements. Yes, agreements no. Yet Madana for 49%. Any such review amount to us trying to execute new petroleum agreements, and this will require the full application of the Petroleum Exploration Production Act 2016 and then run it down. Act 919, all laws and regulations that have been promulgated subsequent to Act we therefore not in a position to accept your request for a review of the terms of the AGM Petroleum Agreement. Mr. Kula, but Omoka said he was misled the unit, you know. The same man, AGM Petroleum Agreement, yes, I demand Ghana for 49% now. Minu Kasai, about where for Kutufa, or for actually.